So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to fill a fountain pen. This is a Pilot Plumix pen, and it has a stub nib on it. See how it's kind of flat right there? It ran out of ink a few days ago, so I thought I'd refill it with this yellow-green color. And the first thing I'm going to do is take my fountain pen apart. I've already cleaned it out, let it soak in water for a while, and then dry. So it's all ready to be refilled. You want to clean your fountain pen about every time you refill it. And this fountain pen does come with a cartridge. There are cartridge refills, but what I like to do, because it's a little less wasteful, is use a syringe and bottle ink to refill it. So those are all the fountain pen parts that we need. I'm gonna go ahead and open my ink. No, still not. I kind of tore up the packaging there, but see how it's packaged super cute? This is my first time using Colorverse ink. I have typically used Noodlers before, so I'm excited to see the difference. Isn't it so beautiful? Okay. You want to unscrew the lids very carefully just because, oh, look at that, see? I already splattered some ink. I don't know if you can see that very nice bright green color. But you want to take your little syringe and very carefully, you don't need a lot. It does not take a lot of ink to fill up the cartridge. Alright, so I'm just going to use that much ink. I'm going to very carefully take my cartridge and just a little bit at a time, not a lot. That's all I'm gonna put in for now. Then we can put our pen back together. And it should slide right in and fit pretty snug still. We'll put our pen body back on. Put the cap back on. I've been wanting this green ink color for a while. It's, oh no, look at that. Oh no. It's kind of a sap green, which is one of my favorite paint colors, but we're just gonna ignore that little mistake. And we're gonna test it out. You can start just by tapping the pen, get the ink going, flowing through it. Maybe make some lines. In some pens it takes a little bit longer than others. You just want to be patient and let the ink flow on its own. There we go. It's starting to wake up a little, so we can keep making some lines. It's that beautiful green color I was looking for. Just test it out. That's what I love the width that the Pilot Plumix allows you to have. It lets you write almost in italics. That is our color versus green. And the official name is Brain 26, B-R-A-N-E. It's part of the Glistening series. There's a little card in here. Oh my goodness. And there's little illustrations. Those are so cute. Super cute. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.